soldier for what Ghana to quite commission, sir. Sika says ya de ma won mafia $150 no ye mo $22. Ha minimum soldier for 3 o mo ko ware o mo free. When you have to feel no can say na ware say the open necessary we no na wo do afia tago na mpesa me wa no na me ko dwabe na afia tago papa say meje 1000 ne ma me so dey 700 na me sika den so adan na me jim ko tim fumpa bu adaban. And listen, hybrid warfare mebunu any astrafo and a perpetuity. Foreign threat there, you say America betesim, we betesim, France betesim, Burkina Faso, we betesim. But as a hybrid warfare, ebenye ntirido, here foreign perpetrators. It is a Sanka, also Africa, sorry, for the very first time in the political history of this continent. Yes, so I say, penny, my France and two. What's a France and to know? What's a man to know? By the same Africa, we left brother Mama Gaddafi. I'm a yetuni ya ekuni ya. This is my topic. Presidential protection and economic security in Africa, the intelligence architecture against foreign threats and hybrid warfare. Benin ko Togo beko. Mafia edu baby Benin ko Nigeria. Ekoshia Nigeria president no your friend say. Nyetinubu do ko ya no, do wu ya no. Buhari. That we are tired. We can't manage Benin as a country. Chimiye, Benin, efa penny fort na kam, eko Nigeria ko Abuja, eko kachre wo Nigeria penny for Buhari said, we are tired. Yet to manage Benin as a nation. Ye percent Nigeria. Enfa Benin as a state. Patro enye insult. Enye atem didie. Oh, what's the train out as a soldier for ye Coup? Na what the what drain nam utumrika na sabia bru sabia nyando okay kan someone won't take that na wunnim because obi atro bibia ma na wo kan. So Nigeria nearly adopted Benin as a state. You want to your friend said voluntarily relinquish your nation status to your fellow country to become a state. It's nana a Benin person yet to send car voter region, Ashanti region, Emma Ghana. I didn't want to be managed. I better into a binding to move. Because Mampany, Cote d'Ivoire Mampany, on all your way. Say Jagudito. Say France, and not Mali, China, Burkina Faso, Tory. It's France and more dear more. Is it French, African, African French speaking countries, those are French speaking African countries. A bit Brema Maya waka French in Nano. And now Mali. And Burkina France near holding. There are certain parts of Marseille, of France, me call France, me call home, me sheda. Me call France, me sheda call Toulouse, maybe on aeroplanes, no, me sheda, me call home. There are certain parts of Marseille, and no mudum Canea of France. Canea call off. Do you know why the uranium now almost started for our Burkina de Kono? To say, I need a presidential protection and economic security. This is the way to go. This is what I wrote. If Africa decide to protect our leaders who are sensible, and you'll be at the sensible leaders. South Africa here say, yes, sorry na, what would do anima, what Bob Modeno, ya people who buy, na ye seek a summon to so we create a security architecture for it. I am telling you, America will run away, Germany will run away, France will run away, UK will run away, because already they are afraid of us. Because translating who the camera here see hey, yeah, man. Camera way outmoded. It's a total check up to smarter. As I'm about to crowd TV, so because camera way come. But I say, I'm going to near to wash a shop. Ghana pay your TV so mobile phone. Your TV share, you are not correct. Ghana pay, and I want to what's now mobile phone, who could now ya wife phone, who you know, near my way, hey, my wife, mediano. To say we near our wife, but phone, no, yeah, Juma Pepe, now ya for petrol. No, I found brush here, did you see? No, the tree, coach, no, two transistors, no resistors, maybe. No, I said lead. I will so. Not for only yet, who is that for moons? It is because we are joking with security. And we think that security is not physical infrastructure. Bible, and yes, soldier for a kuta any barracks, and a chest of Bobby. And a presidential convoy. Cast the so. Now, soldier for, let the spice rider say, okay. And the chest of your boy be by you. No. Say, yeah. Companies now, Burkina, Eto, the no, Sana won't so better. France won't mean to. Free hapo. First, not France. Flexing the muzzles. Mami Chawadibi, Crab and Kuma a big mistake. Let me attribute it to myself. I made a huge mistake. Enter my two me no. What about that Crab and Kuma? He centralized the security service. Because that Kwame in GOBND. Eti se Kwame Nkrumah tu kwan intelligence system no, intelligence architecture of this country no, je wo twen no na what information na Kwame nti se o maya na hye wo mo cause Kwame who say ne namfufuo bi ene mpanifo bi odo mo kwa America ambassador bi ho ye tokonu ye ne wofa ona yi Nkrumah man tokonu mbwa Uwa Fasaki, nyona ye. The long distance anchor, mebwa, tokonu, Adelaide. Onya igbeni o, tokonu ni awade to. Or the Saki. Onya igbeni. Ne wafa. Ene yi Nkrumah man. And come catch and say, collect all the information. I am coming. I'll be traveling to Hanoi. Collect the information. Oji Yaran will release here. That is the only mistake Nkrumah made. Number two, from Swan Nkrumah said no need vice president. Kwame Nkrumah had no vice president. These are the two things he did. But Ghana ma ne babo so say we protect Kwame Nkrumah, but they could not, because that time ne ma do e wo Ghana armed forces no ne iswa wo hwehwe mo kura wo hu e ma do wo post wo ne iswa wo hwehwe mo hu sanka ma na ne wo makola Kumasi Central Market e ma na wo abobroshi e ma na wo mankesim dwom ene mankesim hima that time na ma mean so ma ye de osaje photo Kwame Nkrumah no say no mu identify e ma na wo soldier ni post mu a kayentime ntu Kwame Nkrumah. It was the women that protected osaje photo. Baby e na friend Peduase Lodge no e ma na tont ma ye from Dumas ma ente maybe by your friend Dumas Dunkau Any Kumasi Masi, wouldn't grow to be a for Masi, Kumasi go for Masi, Masi for Dumas and I know be a Kasa. Edumqua, Dum, DUN, Dum, Mas, MAS. One to see Pediase Lodge, a check, Kwame Nkrumah say, although we need dying, hey, ye pell. Ye need John. Pediase Lodge, at the Mark Kwame Nkrumah. When we be a young man or say, Miss Mimpe, Mediama Ghana. Or the stamp is seen. Nkratani na so Pediase Lodge na wo ho no Kwame Nkrumah ya chede e ma de si chair no e ma sister ja Jimmy no so oteto ukunu ofie wo ja Jimmy no na wo fefo ma si dan ma obi odi president Ivory Coast ni tikika obeko mama wa nkodwi asase no so a obeko because they say Ghana be the hope of Africa. John, Ghana be Africa United that so say Africa sa na da Ghana no betimi adu so. John when du so ndi mfie dan. Me fia opaye ntonchia. Say John Mahama nkodwi asase so a won tie ase ono akasa John Mahama ne tie ase ma make na se etutu fie akwa no tum menye de wo fie onima asase na make nya asase da hotra sa asase da hode de bulldozer koso kodwi so John Mahama ntimi andwi asase so ondi mfie nan onim and baby a ye kod wo ho Africa say ye careful. Hey, Nigeria president you to say Tinubu oya no for me poison no. I am telling you today. Etina wapam all the heads of security and one who na wapam we na mafia wasaki obi a point foforo. He is the only president in Africa say the crime engineer in China woman aduane na wati bia mane di answer wadidi. Mimi si J Kufu amembuo Ernest Francis Poku adawro manti. Ni yedi ni chi ba na mi sha. Nti eduru wono wo mo ka security na wo ma dwon say me small boy. Ba na me chi niam na gu mi tirim. Tinubu guru hu ketu abi obedi poison. I'm telling you today. Presidential protection, economic security in Africa is the way to go. How are we protecting John Mahama? Yeah? What is that John Mahama so much is Putin? But people don't know. No, I don't want to expose it. I'm sorry.
Don't say it.
Let me leave it there. Me, from where I sit as a security person, I look at Mahama and I know the kind of presidents he tailored towards. And know that one will to a buying, one will come president, wash it. And come on, let's have me slow Razak, sir. Sakwano, yeah, on the national security coordinator, no. Sir, the current national security coordinator, no, Razak, we do Yami before. We won't tell you before, sir, that. Razak here before. That guy, or a before first class. Madam Kachero. Eh? We're studying Mahama who said it or prayed. And he's protecting Mahama in his modus operandi. That is why he's the only national security coordinator Yenya no Ghana in the 4th Republic. Baby Okobi or Sasani Luke. Or a Muslim. Once I got to the room and saw them. Who I had no star be who that. Or Chanas. Not to all. About Jimas and the Subiadi. Vedi communion be. Then once I copy Dr. Wyatt, Pentecost, I saw them. Munda Nyamia say, Mammy, no body in 7B. security coordinator in Africa say you need to operate like Razak. Me can name all you need now. Where baby. It's not my country. The guy Abraham or dangerous. That's yeah, Razak or dangerous or a bay for me who tell you bay for sad that. Me who ni move back home you know me and Sabi. I say, hey, boss. Oh, you're skillful, sir. No, I said. Or on Casanche, Captain. Who talk. My brother, cheers. Bye bye. No, where you. When we start the question, money answer that. That is what top-notch security officers operate. As a security officer, you don't answer a question on a mobile phone. You don't. Because you cannot tell who is somewhere monitoring, applying hybrid warfare. When we start Razak question on mobile phones, money answer on that. How are you? I am fine. Send I am fine, Obi Akabi. Boss, Abraham share headphone now. I maybe say on about watch be silver and black. So, I'll call you. Cheers. On phone hat also. Don't come about that. Ask yourself. Once and say when shall that say armed robbery? Galam say penalty. Bisa why? Ghana for me ye madri JB do also be leadership. Me say me security and leadership. Nti JB treat no hwe no wadanda ye. I'm chance ncho. Me say what armed robbery nka. What's that che? What bullion van say Obi akwa atake bullion van da. O ye be ma try. Razak be kum me can play na che obekum. Onche won krokro won fa won court. Obey your adwuma. Because the best way to deal with criminals is to eliminate them. The best way to deal with criminals in society is to eliminate them. And this tactics nowadays, I love it. Befia, maybe what country be? I be on one. Sir Rwanda man penny and careful obeko. Okay. Also be a can Rwanda. Rwanda is sitting on a time bomb. Rwanda is sitting on a time bomb. And I went to Rwanda. I've been to Rwanda 3 times. Rwanda is also sitting on a time bomb. And Dr. Kwesedi will tell you, almost every other African country is sitting on a time bomb. It's just a matter of time. The bomb will explode.